Pediatric meningitis. Introduction. Please point to the cerebrospinal fluid. Choose one of the following options. Correct. Bacterial meningitis is more serious and dangerous than viral meningitis. Select true or false. Correct. If a child has a fever and a stiff neck, he or she should see a doctor immediately. Select true or false. Correct. If you think your child has meningitis, you should see a doctor immediately. Some of the symptoms of meningitis are similar to the symptoms of brain tumors. Select true or false. Correct. Some of the symptoms of meningitis, such as headache, sleepiness, and confusion, resemble the symptoms of other diseases of the brain. Which of the following is the most accurate statement about how contagious meningitis is? Choose one of the following options. 1. In general, meningitis is extremely contagious. 2. Some types of meningitis are contagious, but not as contagious as the flu. 3. Meningitis is never contagious. Correct. Some types of meningitis are contagious, but not as contagious as the common cold or flu. There are vaccines against all types of bacterial meningitis. Select true or false. Correct. There are vaccines against some but not all types of bacterial meningitis. Thank you for using Explain.